Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going to show you guys my project pan updates. Now I don't have too many, and I do have something to say along with my project pan. I want to switch things up. Anyways, I do have a really big announcement, which I will also go and let you guys know. Starting this Saturday will be the end of me filming 6 days a week. I will now be going down to 3. I will be posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I think it gives me enough time to work on my project pans, and it gives me enough time to actually test out makeup, which is a big thing because I have a whole big testing pile. I did do a future video for it, and I didn't even include all of it, so because I did want to save a couple things that I wanted to test out. But I have so many things to test out that I don't think posting 6 days a week, I can't just post back to back tutorials with using this palette. I just feel like I'd bore you guys to death. And same thing with my project pan, I don't think I use them enough. So I am now, this Saturday will be the last Saturday besides my actual wedding day. I do plan on putting a video up on my wedding day, so that way you guys are like there but not there type of thing. I'm going to be like revealing my wedding day makeup, so if you are excited for that, please be sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Without my jibber jabber, let's just cut this jibber jabber, and then we can go and hop right into the video. So I have the Herbal Essence Naked Dry Shampoo. This has 0 parabens. It says natural tapioca instantly absorbs excess oil. Just normal dry shampoo. I finally finished my first thing. Like, I finally finished it. I feel like I accomplished a lot. Like, I've never felt like there's like nothing in it. Like, there's a little bit and I can't even spray it out. It's completely empty. I think after finishing this, it kind of awoke in me to being like, I gotta buckle down. I gotta finish these projects. Like it's already May and I did this in June and I haven't gotten anywhere with my project pans. I mean, I honestly have not gotten anywhere. So I'm really glad to be finished this. So, and I do have a review on this, so I'm not going to give anything away of what I think of it. So just stay tuned for that. It's probably going to be going up during my wedding week, like those 10 days or so. Like, yeah. So you will see a review on this dry shampoo. Now, if you guys watch my tutorials or like them or whatever, you guys know whenever I do a full face, I always use my Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Studio cream eyeshadow in the shade Toughest Taupe. This is where we're at right now. There is a huge divot. There you go. That's some big progress, because before I definitely didn't have that much. I've also been using it as eyeshadow, so that's probably why I've been really going through it. But I really do love using this for contour, and this, like, I'll always be picking that one up because it's such a beautiful color if you're as fair as me to put as a contour, because honestly, here, the shade of my divot and this are like very similar, at least in my opinion, and it looks more natural to me if I do a shadow instead of doing like a darker foundation color. It just doesn't look right on my skin tone. It actually winds up looking very orange, because I'm like a weird skin tone where if I say with cool things, let's say cool, sometimes they're too cool. They're too pink. And then if I go with neutral, it's still too pink. And then if I go with warm, they're too yellow. Or they're too orange for neutral. It just doesn't like work out. So me using a darker foundation in a cool zone, even though I am cool, it just doesn't work. So just letting you guys know, that is a perfect contour, and I'll probably always be using that. Like, I love it. The past couple days, I've really been using the the Physicians Formula Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls in the shade Translucent. It's just like a mineral pearl highlighter type of thing. But I did get pretty far in it. I mean, not too far, but compared to what it was. A lot of the bumps in the middle, because that's usually where I reach for, they're like almost gone. Which I'm like really happy, because this thing is taking a while to use. I might just start using this like every day as like a brow bone highlight to just be able to use it, because I feel like I use it as a highlighter, which I did put it on today, I think. Yeah, I did put it on today, which is very beautiful. I really do love it. And I think in a couple videos I did use it as eyeshadow, but I think I will start using it as a brow bone highlight just to go and give like a nice little pop effect, and maybe start using it in my inner corner. That way it also has a more pop effect. So now for like the actual thing I had to tell you guys. For some reason, I don't know what it is. I think it's just where my mind is at with all my colors I've been wearing. This La Nude palette too. Something is stopping me from using this, and I don't know what it is. I think it's also because I feel like I don't have enough time to really test anything out. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. Like, there's like nothing. And I accidentally put my nails in it like 5 times. But that is literally what we're dealing with. Like, there's something about this. I do like this palette. I do really honestly like it. But there's something stopping me from using it, and I think it might be the colors, because I do love the colors. They're really beautiful colors. I mean, they're stunning. But I feel like I'm kind of stuck in a rut where I don't want to reach for other colors. I don't want to reach for like browns and whatever and purples and taupes. I don't want to reach for them. I just don't. So I think I'm going to put this on the back burner. I'm just going to hold off on this palette. I just have to kind of give myself not a break from like Project Pan, obviously, but a break from just using or trying to use this palette because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not getting like fed up. It's more of I just know exactly what the colors I want to use, and I know that it's really hard for me to break the habit of using these kind of taupey, purpley colors. So I think maybe if I did accomplish something, like what I want to switch to is going to be the e.l.f. Nude Rose Gold. I'm really into pinks right now. So I really think if I switch to this palette, which has all the pinks, all the rose golds, it does have a couple purple shades. I think if I really get some big progress with this palette, I really think that it might help me out with this one, because I may feel a sense of accomplishment with this and may kind of drive me to use this one as well. I think that's what I'm trying to do. If I can't, like even after I pan this, I still won't be able to use this. I'm just gonna go and give it to a friend. I know she loves these kinds of colors. They're beautiful. There's something like it's like I'm almost disconnected when I go and look at this. It makes me happy. I like using it when I do use it. I'm just not into purples right now, and I think that's why I'm kind of like having a mental block. My mind just doesn't want to extend to the purples. Like if you see my makeup, and when I go out and when I don't film, I'm wearing pinks like almost every single time, besides like today, because I did a tutorial on this, which you will see, I don't know, sometime during the wedding week, I think, maybe, possibly, I don't know. It's pinks, it's always pinks or purple, not purples, it's always pinks or something, like a grayish or something. I just can't do purples right now, and I think it will be a lot easier if I just cut them out for now and then just move on to this, and at least I'll be able to pan it. I want to pan something. I want to pan something of mine, an eyeshadow palette, and I feel like I'm not getting anywhere but digging my fingernails into it by accident. So I think I'm really just gonna go ahead and switch to this. I'm gonna keep it out where I can see it, and that way if I ever want to do a pink look or something, I can always reach for this, because I think this will be like my only last hope to try and pan a major palette, because I really want to pan this, like really freaking bad. And for some reason, I don't know why, purples are just not calling me anymore. They were, like, eh. But I also think that now I will have more time to myself. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like a better... The colors aren't popping on camera, but they're really like pretty and pinkish and rose goldish. I think maybe since I have more time when I do switch my days, I really do think I'll be able to actually sit down, do my project pans, and have more of a bigger turnout than, oh, I just dabbed my brush in it like twice throughout the whole thing, you know. So that is really it with all my project pans. I really hope you guys understand what is going on. I really hope you guys understand. Oh, sorry guys, the light started flickering, like my ring light started flickering. It was really weird. Alright, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please, if you have any tips for me with Project Pan, please be sure to link them down below. I really need advice. I feel like I'm stuck in a rut. I don't know how I'm able to kind of push myself to use these colors. I just feel like sorry, that's my dog. I just want to use the pink ones because I feel like I'd be able to accomplish something. I want to accomplish something. And I feel like since I'm not reaching for it, I feel like I'm just not accomplishing anything. And that also might be a reason why I'm kind of veering away from it. So like I said, if you have any sort of advice you can give me on Project Pan or anything, then please let me know. I definitely need it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, I'm going to be now uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This Saturday will be the last day for any Saturdays besides my wedding day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.